This house did not have car parking space, so we have created a car parking space by making structural changes. Not just that, we have corrected the Vastu of this house and brought in natural light to the ground floor through Skylight creation. Let's get into the video. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Siddharth, founder of Inkstone Infra, your home renovation expert in Bangalore. This is a 30 years old load-bearing house renovated to a modern house with proper amenities by Inkstone Infra. The old front elevation is remodeled to a contemporary design. The front elevation reflects elegance with subtle colors. The living room is designed with a modern TV unit and a false ceiling that accommodates grand chandelier and fans. The TV unit has back panel with golden beading, suspended drawers, rafters that completes the look. We have created Skylight in the living room to bring in natural light to the ground floor. The speciality of Skylight placement in Northeast. Vastu recommends placement of Skylight in Northeast direction. This solves major Vastu issues of the house. To bring more positive energy into your house. Skylight can also be placed in north or east directions. Coming to the Vastu correction of this house. This house had a kitchen in the southwest corner and old style toilet and bath area in the southeast. We have corrected the Vastu through structural renovation. So, now the kitchen is in southeast corner, the ideal direction for the placement of kitchen as per the Vastu. We have designed a fully functional modular kitchen by using acrylic for premium finish. The design is combination of aesthetics and minimalism in right proportion. The base unit is finished with a white quartz countertop. The modular kitchen has a base unit with tandem boxes, storage cabinets, wicker baskets and a magic corner for corner space utilization. The overhead unit accommodates chimney and there are lofts for additional storage. The old kitchen area is remodeled to a dining area. The tall unit has a customized accessories for pantry. This is the new puja unit we created.